Thompson Nature Sanctuary. I'm Colin, I'm the naturalist here, and we are bringing you animal encounters in partnership with Missouri 4-H and the University of Missouri Extension. Today we're going to talk a little bit about lizards. I'm going to show you a little more about this wonderful guy in my hand. And then also we're going to show you a Missouri native lizard. Let's check them out. This is an eastern collared lizard. They are native to Missouri. This is a male during breeding season. You'll really be able to tell the difference because he'll get a super duper yellow bright colored throat with some blue as well around it. These guys usually live in sort of drier, rockier, sandy areas like glades, things like that. This is a non-native species. You might recognize it. This is a leopard gecko. So geckos are a type of lizard, and of course lizards are reptiles, which means that they're cold-blooded and they have scales. Now these guys aren't the most gecko-y gecko. They don't have pads on their feet that help them climb or anything, but they do have these claws, and so they're still pretty good climbers. Now they are usually native to the deserts of like Asia and the Middle East, sort of like a Pakistan kind of area. And they have a couple of features that help them survive the extreme temperatures of the desert. So you might not be able to tell, but there are all these little bumps on their backs, and that keeps them from dehydrating. Additionally, they have this fat tail. And that fat tail sort of acts like a camel hump does. So a camel hump is full of fat, it's not full of water. And just like that camel hump, this tail is full of fat, which they use to burn off and keep themselves hydrated and surviving in the desert. A couple other cool things, if you can see. A thing that sets lizards and snakes apart is that lizards have ears. Now they don't look like our ears, but basically they have ear holes. Snakes don't have that. Also, they have eyelids. Snakes don't have eyelids. These guys eat almost entirely insects, so that's what their diet completely consists of. They're also super popular pets. You might see them. They come in all kinds of different colors. This is sort of the traditional color scheme.